You want to know how hot it is, right? You just see this lady, the worker. See not? Standing in front of the fan like that. For don't know how long. For half an hour. Pull some more. You know, very, very long. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to Desaru from Singapore. So it's about 10 a.m. now, and we are moving off from my place. So we are heading by motorbike. My friend Naveen will be riding the XSR 150 and I'm riding the CB 400X. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and get to know what you can do in Desaru. We are going there for one night stay and we want to see what type of activity that we can do over there. So I hope you guys can enjoy this video. Guys are very slow. So now we are already at we just finished our JB custom, and then now we are going straight to Crocodile farm. So yeah, along the way we will see any petrol station to stop and then pump our petrol. We don't want to pump near the custom. I think it will be quite crowded. So yeah, I don't know whether you can hear my voice because of the motorbike around. Okay, see you guys later. Just come now.
But I still got half tanks here, bro.
Just come only, why cannot come? Alright guys, so just for information, in the Malaysia petrol station, I don't know whether is it apply to all petrol stations in Malaysia, but we have to make a deposit. For example, you have to deposit 50 ringgit to the cashier, and then you pump your petrol, for example 30 ringgit, and then you will collect back 20 ringgit at the petrol station. It's a bit delayed and a bit troublesome, but that's what we have to do when we pump petrol in Malaysia. So let me know if it's really applied to all petrol stations. We downloaded this app Alro. It's actually an eSIM. It is good for overseas traveling to get data. They're actually quite cheap. You guys can check it out. Hey Naveen, how's the drink?
Banyak sedap.
So how's the taste?
The taste is nice.
Nice Got big what? BCAA
Tinggi protein, BCAA, vitamin B6, 12.
Can go gym
Carry the bike. Over here, I don't know what he's doing. He's holding Insta 360 and he also become the 360. What a joke, this guy. This one it's like information. Okay, let's go to the next one. Got a lot of different This one nothing. Oh, this one special one, no tail. Okay guys, these crocodiles are the largest individual in the crocodile is the Crocodilus porus, and this crocodile have excellent eyesight during the night. I know all these tail because they got details here. Oh, this one damn big. Super duper huge. Just chilling there. Oh, they fighting
Too bright.
not fighting anymore.
Too bright. Cannot see.
Oh, this one chow already. So run away. The other one chasing. Hey, you know where to get to see exclusive like VIP crocodile.
Why? Why?
Guess
Guess.
You guess. Wrong. Here. See this hole?
God.
Oh my god, what is inside? Let me see. Hey, let me hold this one. Ah, get to see. Ooh. So not. Nice. See not? Exclusive one, this one. Hey, where is it? Where the hole? Oh, see. Oh, this one, exclusive one. Only inside the lobang can see.
Yeah, this one you must see. Back.
Huh? Also have
Back.
Yeah, we come here not
This
to
is
see.
VIP number 2.
Oh, VIP number 2 this one. Okay. Whoa, this one.
30+%.
Hey Navin, so how the crocodile farm? Marvelous, See, everybody is going home already.
Marvelous.
Yeah, I think this one today, even though Sunday, right, it's not so crowded,
Yeah. We two people just decided want to barbecue ourselves.
No, cannot say that. Let me turn the camera. Today is a very hot day. Very humid. So
Yes, the map told me that it was going to rain in the noon, but unfortunately no rain.
yeah, so
Fortunate,
but
but unfortunate.
overall okay lah. If you bring your family here, just to see the crocodile, got a lot of crocodiles here.
Yeah.
But out of 10, is it worth it? I would say 5 5 out of 10.
Some eating.
But it will be more interesting if there will be like a feeder, somebody feed the crocodile, then we can see the more movement. Yeah. So we are going to makan next.
At Celuk. At Kaira Celuk.
Kaira Tepung Celuk.
Celuk.
Celuk Tepung. So this one is one of the recommended in Google search and then on TikTok. So you will see. See, you want to know how hot it is, right? You just see this lady, the worker. See not? Standing in front of a fan like that. For don't know how long. For half an hour. Pull some more. You know, very long. See David watching the lady.
I wish my bike got this big fan blowing.
Yeah. I wish I got that fan also blowing in front of me. But yeah. There's nobody here anymore. And then we are going after I drink that protein 100 plus somehow I feel not so, my stomach don't feel so good. Yeah, I should stop drinking that one. I drink already half of it already. Yeah, so now I'm drinking plain water. Okay, see you guys on the road. Next place from here to
Kaira Celuk Tepung.
Kaira Celuk Tepung is how many minutes?
25 minutes.
25 minutes.